2019 Subaru Forester. Probably should be the same for 2020 as well, but this is 2019. We'll do the cabin air filter. Finally found this one. Amazon finally started carrying one that fit the 19s. Should be plug and play. So let's get to it. We'll drop the glove box. Already got it emptied out. Got the little, this is the, what eases it down, a little kind of like a shock absorber. Finger on either side, pop that loose, just put it to the side. One finger here, press in and down. Same on this side, pull in and down. Glove box will fall all the way down. It's actually grooved, so it will just come right off in your hands. Put that to the side. Cabin air filter, that's this. Got a tab on either side, you can pinch, pull, they're just pretty much just for you to grab. Out with the old, definitely do. Bear with me 1 minute so I can get this out the plastic. All right, and then this one, actually says up. Turn it over, get it the right orientation. Slides in. Now, this brand does not click like the original. Fits fine, but no clicking going on. And then do everything else in reverse order. Glove box, line those up, both sides. These right here will hit, just push it past it. So now it's holding it by itself. And you will ease up on the glove box until you get this lined up. Push that back on. Back together, easy as that.